What's up guys, day in life with the R34. Today's video we're gonna probably wash the car, clean it up, dirty outside and inside. I hope you guys like the first video and hopefully you'll like this one. I'm trying my best to make good videos. So basically what I'm going to do is clean up the exterior of the car and then move into the garage after cleaning the garage as well, and then vacuum the interior, clean up the interior even more and make the car look nicer, because right now it's horrible place right now. It looks dirty, interior and exterior. I got car wash soap and I got tire shine. So what I'm gonna do right now is fill this up with the soap. And just to let you know, I don't have most of the stuff that I need to wash the car. I don't have the rag, don't have the sponge, don't have most of the stuff. So the car, washing it is not gonna be the best wash, but it's gonna do better than how it was. Actually, I found this sponge. I need to clean it up before using, so I will clean that up with the water once I'm ready. I'm going to turn on the water. Now we start. So I'm hoping the trunk doesn't leak. I have a lot of expensive stuff. But here. Okay, now it's soap time. So this is my drying rag. The car is washed. Now all I have to do is clean this mess and put it in and vacuum it. Okay, the garage is clean. Now we bring the car in and clean the interior of it. Yep, we bring it. Time to clean the trunk. Blanket. We could have. Oh, this is the stand that I'm using right now. So I'll put some stuff in it. This is trash. Actually, what I'm gonna put in it is keychains that you can buy on the website. Now we have trash. Keychains are saved in here. Put them on the sides, since my bag of the cameras stuff. My other lens that will be going into the camera bag. Now that my trunk is empty, we vacuum. it's all vacuumed. We spray, and for all the plastic, I just clean it this way, the interior cleaner. I see you, stinky cat. Okay, trunk is cleaned up. We put all the stuff back. The keychains. My camera stuff. And my drone stuff. So organized. Okay, first thing in the interior, I have to do the back. I have all the trash in the back. So what I'm gonna do is take that trash out. This is diesels. I take that. Now what would happen with this? Crumpled and put in the trunk. Also removing all the carpets. Now that the carpets are out, I vacuum. Found coal under the seat somehow. I don't know for what, but okay. Okay, now that the rear is clean, I go with the interior cleaner. So the back is now clean. We move to the front now. Passenger side, I have so much. The gimbal goes to the back because I use that often. And the charger, let me have it over here. I need some better cable management inside here that I need to work on. Trash, trash, trash. License plate, my wife's bottle. Now everything is cleaned throughout the whole car. Every trash has been cleaned. I'm going to take the carpets out, clean them, clean underneath, and then clean the whole set I have over here. Now the whole interior is cleaned up. Even the door cards looks way nicer. And if we can go to the outside, car definitely needs some paint and wax and all of that, which you will be getting hopefully soon. But you can see here, the car is clean. First car wash since I owned it, sadly. But yeah, it's a beauty. I'm so happy that it's finally clean. I love this car, so it makes me glad that I finally have the time to take care of it and enjoy it. Okay, so if you guys like this video, please support me with a subscribe and a like, and share this video everywhere you can so you can see more R34 content. I'm trying my best to provide. I work all week, and whenever I get a chance, this is my first time I don't work. Whenever I get the chance, I'll take a video and edit it and post it. So please support me so you can see more of this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.